Are you looking for the top 5 best carports on Amazon? How much should you actually spend on a carport? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Pamazy Ground Anchors. First up, we have the Pamazy 4-pack ground anchors, priced at $28.99. What caught my eye was the heavy-duty solid steel material and the fixed spiral blade design, which gives it an edge for outdoor stability. If you want your carport or any outdoor setup to stay put, even in strong winds, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These anchors are designed to hold firm by digging deep into the ground, thanks to their 2.16mm thick spiral blades. You don't have to worry about your carport lifting off during a storm or windy days. They're also easy to install using a drill, making setup a breeze. Plus, they've been bought over 1,000 times in the past month, so clearly people are finding them useful. Now, some people complained about the installation process being tricky for those without a drill. Here's the thing though, if you have a drill and can follow simple instructions, it's not a deal breaker. But if you're looking for something that's completely manual, you might want to look elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you want a solid anchor for your carport or any outdoor furniture. Skip this one if you don't.
Product number 2, Aster Outdoor Sunshade Sail. Next, we have the Aster Outdoor Sunshade Sail, 10x13, priced at $29.97. I was drawn in by its sleek graphic color and the promise of UV protection. If you want to enjoy your outdoor space without overheating, this is definitely worth a serious look. Here's why this matters. This sail offers a breathable 95% UV block, which means you can enjoy your patio or garden without worrying about harmful rays. The lightweight design makes it super portable, and it's easy to install with the included ropes. Plus, it's great for various outdoor areas, including your carport, where shade is crucial during those hot summer days. It's already gained popularity with over 500 sold recently, hinting at its effectiveness. Now, some users mentioned that it might not hold up in very strong winds. Here's the thing though, if you live in a windy area, you might want to take it down during storms. It's a great option for normal conditions, so just be mindful of your weather. This is perfect for you if you want an attractive and functional shade solution for your outdoor spaces. Skip this one if you live in an area with extreme weather conditions. Great value for the price, considering the quality. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually...
Product number 3, Dwale Carport Replacement Canopy Cover. The third product is the Dwale 10x20 foot Carport Replacement Canopy Cover, retailing at $39.35. What caught my attention was its waterproof and UV protective features. If you're looking to protect your vehicle from the elements without spending a fortune, this one's definitely worth a serious look. Why does this matter? This cover is crafted from 16mm Frick high-quality polyethylene, which means it's both tear-proof and durable. It offers 99% UV protection, ensuring your car is shielded from harmful rays, while also being waterproof to keep it dry during rain or snow. It comes with 48 bungee cords for easy installation, making your setup smooth and hassle-free. It's also sold over 300 times recently, which speaks to its popularity. Now, some customers pointed out that it doesn't come with a frame, which could be a downside for some. Here's the thing though, if you already have a frame, this replacement cover is a fantastic value. It's perfect for those who just need a quality cover. This is perfect for you if you have the frame already and need a reliable cover. Skip this one if you don't already have a structure to put it on. Great value for what you get.
Product number 4, Shademart Sunshade Sail. Next, we have the Shademart 14x14 Beige Sunshade Sail, priced at $39.99. I loved the idea of a customizable shade option that also adds a decorative touch to your space. If you want to reduce heat while enhancing your outdoor aesthetics, this is worth checking out. Why is this important? This shade sail is crafted from HDPE fabric that allows air and water to permeate, meaning you won't have a stuffy area underneath. It blocks up to 95% of UV rays, which can help cool down your outdoor space significantly. Plus, it features reinforced corners with stainless steel D-rings for durability. This is a versatile option that can fit various outdoor designs. It's been purchased over 200 times recently, so it's clearly making an impact. Now, some users did mention that the installation can be a bit tricky if you're not handy. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, it's a stylish shade solution that's well worth the effort.
This is perfect for you if you want a blend of functionality and style in your outdoor area. Skip this one if you're looking for something super easy to install without any effort. Honestly, it's a great investment considering how much cooler it can make your space. Now, if the need for a stylish shade was a priority,
Product number 5, Dwale Brown Canopy Cover. Finally, we have another option from Dwale. This time a brown 10 by 20 foot carport replacement canopy cover, priced at $49.99. The color caught my eye, and it promises the same high-quality protection as the previous product. If you're looking for a solid cover that matches your outdoor decor, this one is worth considering. This cover is also made from the same durable 16 ml thick polyethylene, offering similar tear-proof and waterproof qualities as the previous one. It's engineered to withstand various weather conditions, providing 99% UV protection to keep your vehicle safe. The installation is straightforward with the included 48 bungee cords, just like the other model, making it user-friendly. It's a bit pricier than its counterpart, but worth it for those who want a darker aesthetic. Now, some reviews mention that it can be slightly more expensive compared to other similar products. Here's the thing though, if you want a cover that blends well with your outdoor environment while providing excellent protection, it's a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and stylish alternative for your carport cover.
So there you have it. We covered the Pamezi ground anchors, the Aster Outdoor Sunshade Sail, the Dwale Carport Replacement Canopy Cover, the Shade Mart Sunshade Sail, and another Dwale canopy cover in brown. Each has its unique strengths and weaknesses, but they all aim to protect your vehicles and enhance your outdoor experience in different ways. Depending on your specific needs, there's definitely something on this list for you.